Welcome to your Tech Match 30 Days of Building Apps with AI. So, I decided to pivot, and today we're going to be building a virtual piano app. And if you've been rocking with me to these 6 days, you earned a fire emoji. So, let's get started. So, today, this is our prompt: create a virtual piano app for first time learners who need help learning how to play. And then I asked it to create a UI that's similar to the picture you see above. Decided to get a little creative today. So I've been working on playing the piano and I've been using this virtual piano as a way to learn. And then also during my process, I just looked up some apps that kind of have like similar um, features where you can kind of play the piano. Here's like another one that I thought was cool. This is one that I was practicing on, but you would have to like kind of sign in and so on, and then you would have to have like an actual piano, or something, or you could even use this so it can be able to pick up the keys, or the notes that you're playing. So what I decided to do for this one, I decided to pivot, and just actually make a piano app and see how that goes. So I'm going to use Base 44 for this, because I feel like they have just a tad bit better user interface, so they might be able to prompt it for us. So I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to say create a virtual piano app for beginners. Let's say like first time learners who need help with learning how to play. Use this user interface. Use this, I'm going to just say UI for reference. So I found a UI on Behance that I thought was really good. That was pretty cool. So also I'll show you that really quickly. This is like one that I thought was fun. So kind of making it resemble the keyboard. Um, has a song and different things. It was another one that I liked as well. I think it was up here. It was, I'm not sure where it's at. I think it was this one. So this is a nice, like, it looks like it walks you through different ways to learn the piano. So I thought that was really cool. So it's so many different ways and so many different things. As you can see, there are many apps like this. For a lot of the other stuff that we were looking through before, like it's been harder to find like the exact app. This is also seems like a cool one to kind of learn how to play. But let's see what happens. Let's run it and see what we get here. So as we wait for our build out, I'm gonna play some music from the piano. We ran into a little error and Base 44 was able to identify that error and then kind of fix it. So let's see what happens here. So it says, welcome to piano. Let's learn the basics. Tap, use keyboard. A through use keys or A and L. Follow highlights, build your streak. So let's see if it does something. So this doesn't look like the whole entire keyboard of a piano, but I think it is just showing us little parts so we can try to play something. Let's see if it works. Oh, awesome. So we were able to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And that kind of how that sets up, I think I don't know if it goes into another round or so, but I think this would just be that first level. But this is kind of an example of how that can be. Again, setting it up where you could probably do multiple rounds. You can do other songs or anything like that. And that would kind of probably be just a little more advanced. I actually learned how to play Happy Birthday today. So, I have a bit of idea how this might go. Um, but yeah, so let's start this too. And then you can kind of play more of the song. So this would be like really great for anybody who, especially kids who just want to hear the sounds of certain things, getting into the groove of learning how to play the piano, whether you're an adult learner or a child learner. So yeah.
And my name is Shadira, and I'm your tech matcher. These are the tools that I used today. Thank you so much for joining, and see you tomorrow for our next app.